Hi everyone. I have two vendors on YouTube that I love to buy from, and they sell new items, not used. Well, sometimes one of them will sell. I think both of them actually will sell used sometimes. But anyway, this is from your crafting source, Michelle H. on YouTube, and I would say I saved probably a third maybe of what I would have in the stores. I'll let you know when I get it all out, because honestly I don't remember everything. I remember most of what I bought. So the first thing I got from her is, and it's all new guys, never opened, this is a bundled sage distress ink from Tim Holtz. I got the Distress Oxide Sprayed Uncharted Marina. I love this color. And I think mostly everything I bought from her is to do my mixed media. Then I got the Old Paper Spray. This stuff, if you have not bought this yet, oh my goodness. And you need the ink pad too, because oh my goodness. Then I got the Weathered Wood. I love using this for not only mixed media, but I do around the outside edges of some of my woodwork with it. It's great. Antique linen, cool. This is really good for splatters and stuff. Then I got more sprays. Another Uncharted Marina, because she had one left, and I said, yeah, I get it at that price, I'm going to get it too. Another antique linen. Oh wait, this is not the distress. Let me back up here. This is the distress. This is the spray stain, the antique linen. And then the spray stain in old paper. I am so glad I got this. I have been searching the stores for it, because like I said, it works good on wood also. And the spray stain of bundled sage and the scattered straw. I love this color. So then there was a paper pack in there. I honestly did not remember buying this, but my name's on it, so clearly I did. I saw it on my invoice and I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and pay for it. This is cool. This is really cool paper. Glad I got it. This is so cool. And she sells her paper bundles way below what most people do. I think this paper bundle was like $6. I mean, how cool is this? This is actually like the patterned paper. And then I got these pieces. Sorry, we got some work going on here. Y'all hear in the background, that's why I paused a minute ago. This is cool. It's a shorthand paper. 3 sheets of that. Some of the grid papers. Variable data charts. There is just a huge mixture. Oh, there was a little bit of notebook paper in there. I missed that. Nope, that's a different kind of grid. Graph paper, I mean. So there's 1, 2 of this one, and 1 of this one. And then there's the variable data charts. Oh wow, it's been ages since I've seen this. This is actually like the vintage handwriting paper like they had in school 100 years ago. 100, it just feels like it. And how cool is this? Some more paper with different lines on it. This is really cool. I want to think this is where you practice writing your music notes. Okay, and music paper. A lot of that in there. sheet of vellum. Big sheet of vellum. Nope, it's 2 sheets. Okay. 3 sheets of vellum. And some coffee dye, tea dye actually, it looks like. But this entire pack of paper, unheard of, on any sale on YouTube, was $6. Well, any I've bought from. So, and it's all good quality paper. And all of this is brand new, never opened, never used. And it was cheap, guys. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's a whole lot cheaper than going to the store and buying it. And now that I look at it, I can promise you, for what I paid her and what I normally pay at Michael's, I got all of this for nothing. Because what I paid her would have covered this at Michael's. So, well, nope, let's do it this way. Honestly, check her out. She does sales every now and then on YouTube. But subscribe to her so you'll get the notifications. And it's your crafting source, Michelle H. Thanks for watching. See you soon with some more good tips.